Bob Eichenberger, sales rep for BigIron and here in eastern Kansas, and we got Meinhardt farm equipment sale coming up on Tuesday, November 28th. They've got a lot of stuff here, just something for everybody. We've got construction equipment, tractors, combines, balers, you name it, it's pretty much here. Plows, tillage equipment, hay equipment. Jim's just decided to move this stuff out, and we're honored to help him get rid of it. So we're going to have an open house so everybody can look stuff over on November 17th and 18th. Again, the sale's on November 28th, that's a Tuesday. We've got a single seller day on Tuesday, so just mark your calendars for that, and thank you.